This is a massive legal victory, Jesse, a massive victory for law and order and for our constitutional republic and the sovereignty of the United States of America. We called on the Supreme Court to rein in these activist judges like Judge Boasberg, who was completely out of line in trying to say that the president didn't have the executive authority to deport foreign terrorists off of our soil. We have always maintained the position at the White House that the president was well within his constitutional authority to do so.
White House responds to Supreme Court ruling on deportation powers. In a bold response to a landmark Supreme Court decision, White House Press Secretary Karoline Leavitt appeared on Fox News with Jesse Watters to address what the administration is calling a major legal victory for the Trump presidency and national security. According to Leavitt, the ruling reaffirms President Trump's authority to use the Alien Enemies Act, a federal law dating back to 1798, as a tool to remove individuals deemed foreign threats from U.S. soil. Leavitt emphasized that this outcome validates the administration's long-standing stance that the president holds clear constitutional power to deport foreign nationals suspected of terrorism or gang activity.
This decision proves that President Trump and our administration have always been right from the beginning. He will continue to utilize the Alien Enemies Act to remove foreign terrorists and Tren de Aragua members, vicious gang members from American communities. And because of this ruling, the United States of America is a much safer place. Our team will get to work tomorrow to deport these heinous, violent foreign terrorists from our neighborhoods.
She specifically called out what she described as activist judges, referencing one in particular, Judge Boasberg, who had previously ruled against the administration's authority on this matter. The Alien Enemies Act grants the president broad authority during times of war or national threat to detain or deport non-citizens considered dangerous. President Trump's team argues this tool is essential in maintaining national security and public safety. The ruling makes America safer, Leavitt declared, stating that federal agencies will now move swiftly to deport individuals labeled as violent foreign terrorists, including members of international gangs and extremist organizations like Tren de Aragua and Ragu. This legal green light, the administration says, will allow law enforcement to take immediate action in removing those they believe pose a direct threat to U.S. communities. The decision has sparked strong reactions across the political spectrum, with critics warning of potential civil liberties concerns, while supporters hail it as a necessary step to uphold national sovereignty and law and order. Stay tuned for updates on this developing story.